Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone, have you ever felt this way?
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Katrina Halili, kinagiliwan ang bonding moment kasama ang anak nila ni Chris Lawrence na si Katie. Ibinahagi ng actress ang naggagandahang larawan nilang mag-ina, nakuha sa kanilang bakasyon. Napakasaya ng mga ito base sa kanilang mga pictures. Marami ang lalong humanga sa single mom na si Katrina dahil sa pagiging hands-on nitong ina kay Katie. Talagang binibigay nito ang quality time na nararapat para sa kanyang anak, lalong-lalo na pag wala itong trabaho.
Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone, have you ever felt this way? Have you ever been betrayed, labeled words you just can't say? Suffered silently, wanting to be erased. There's a reason to believe again, when faith is nowhere to be found. Try to find the strength to try again and stand on solid ground.